In Mumbai hit and run case, the court has granted bail to accused Rajesh Shah. He got bail on a provisional cash bail bond of 15,000 rupees. Rajesh Shah, remember, is the father of absconding accused Mihir Shah. Mihir Shah is the accused who, in fact, is absconding since the hit and run case came to light in Worli. Remember, the main accused in this case is the son of Shinde Sena leader. The police say that there was an attempt to cover up by the Shinde Sena leader. Cops allege that the leader told the driver to switch seats with the son. The chief minister, in fact, meanwhile, has said, whosoever the person may be, the law will take its own course.
हम लोग गरीब है इसलिए ऐसा है क्या? सबके लिए सेम न्याय रखो तुम. गरीब और श्रीमंत के बीच में ऐसा न्याय मत रखो. हम लोग कैसे करेगा अभी बताओ. हमारा बच्चा ये ऐसा ही पड़ गया. अभी हमारा पूरा घर पूरा बिखर गया. वही हमारा मच्छी बेचता था, वही सब करता था.
इसमें एक ही हमारा मकसद है, हिट एंड रन में किसी को भी बख्शा नहीं जाएगा. वो कितना भी इन्फ्लुएंस वाला हो, कोई भी हो, पॉलिटिकल हो, पैसे वाला हो, ये गरीब की जान होती है. और इसलिए वो भी किसी की बेटी होती है, किसी की बहन होती है, और इसीलिए कोई भी हो उसको बख्शा नहीं जाएगा.
Let me go across at this moment to my colleague Paras Dama, who is joining us with more details on this story. Paras, the cops allege that there was an attempt to, in fact, cover up this entire case. Where is this accused? What are they saying about this man and the latest as far as the investigation is concerned?
So right now, the latest about this investigation is that the female friend of Mihir Shah has been interrogated by the Worli police from morning, and still the interrogation is on. With that, the mother and the sister of Mihir Shah is not available from last evening when this whole incident has happened. So police are trying to find the mother and the sister of Mihir Shah. Mihir Shah is also on the run from the time the incident took place at Worli by 5:30 a.m. in the morning. So after the incident happened, this Mihir Shah, the main accused in this Worli hit and run case, ran away from the spot with his BMW and dropped the car at Bandra.